Desk-bound no more. 5 easy exercises for office warriors. Feeling trapped at your desk? Energy crashing? Don't let your workday get you down. We've got 5 super quick desk exercises designed to re-energize your body, sharpen your focus, and kick that mid-afternoon slump to the curb. Let's get moving and reclaim your well-being right from your workspace. Sit tall and proud like the office champion you are. Place your right hand gently on the back of your chair and ease your torso to the right. Hold that pose for a solid 10 seconds, feeling the stretch. Now, switch sides and repeat. This simple twist is a lifesaver for relieving lower back tension and instantly improving your posture. Feel that release. Gently drop your chin towards your chest, feeling the stretch in the back of your neck. Slowly roll your head in a smooth, circular motion. Go one way for 10 seconds, then reverse the direction. This is your secret weapon against neck stiffness and tension, especially after those marathon screen-staring sessions. Ah, sweet relief. Sit upright, engage your core, and extend one leg straight out in front of you. Hold that extension for 5 seconds, feeling the burn. Lower your leg and repeat on the other side. Aim for 10 reps on each leg. This strengthens your quads and gets your circulation pumping, all without leaving your chair. Lift your shoulders up towards your ears, roll them back in a circular motion, and then bring them down. Feel the tension melting away. Do 10 rolls backward, then switch and do 10 rolls forward. This is fantastic for loosening tight shoulders and fighting that dreaded hunched-over desk posture. Stand tall and confident. Stay seated, but start lifting one knee at a time in a controlled, marching motion. Pump those arms and get into it. Keep this up for 30 seconds. It's a fantastic way to boost your heart rate and get your blood flowing, giving you an instant energy lift. Feel the power. Just 5 minutes, that's all it takes to shake off the stiffness and prioritize your health, even at your desk. Incorporate these moves every few hours and your body will thank you for it. Remember, employee wellness is key to a productive and happy work life. Ready to feel amazing? Like this video, subscribe to Primed Flow, and hit that notification bell for more faceless fitness tips designed specifically for busy professionals like you. Share this with your coworkers, and let's create a healthier, happier office together.